If you want to print double-sided in Microsoft Word, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the quickest way to turn on duplex printing so you can save paper, reduce clutter, and print documents the smart way. This is super useful for reports, schoolwork, handouts, drafts, and any document you want to keep clean and professional. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tips just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open the document you want to print in Microsoft Word. Before printing, it's always a good idea to quickly review your pages so you know everything looks right. Once your document is ready, go up to the top left and click File. From the File menu, choose Print. This will open the Print Settings panel where you can control how your document is sent to the printer. Now look under Settings. By default, Word may show print one-sided, which means every page will print on its own sheet of paper. To change that, click the Print One-Sided drop-down. A list of printing options will appear. From that list, select Print on both sides. This tells Microsoft Word to print on the front and back of each page instead of using one page per sheet. After selecting double-sided printing, you'll see another important option called Flip Pages on Long Edge. For most normal documents, this is the correct choice. It makes the pages read like a standard book, report, or booklet, where the back side flips naturally along the long edge of the paper. If you're printing something in landscape or a document that needs a different binding style, you may sometimes choose a different flip option, but for most people, long edge is the one you want. Once you've confirmed the settings, take one last look to make sure your printer is selected correctly and your document is ready to go. Then click Print. Microsoft Word will send the job to your printer using double-sided settings, and your pages should print on both sides automatically if your printer supports duplex printing. If your printer does not support automatic double-sided printing, Word may still let you print manually on both sides. In that case, the printer may prompt you to reinsert the pages after the first side is printed. Just follow the on-screen instructions carefully so the second side prints correctly and the pages stay in the right order. And that's it. You now know how to print double-sided in Microsoft Word. It only takes a few clicks once you know where to look, and it's a great way to save paper and make your documents look more polished. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.